Hi, I'm DM Purnesh. Right now, we own Harley Estate, established in Sakleshpur, Mandrabad region. Harley Estate is, as you know, was initially bought and owned by Britishers till 1955. It was established in 1864. Two things are there. It comes under Mandrabad region. Mandrabad is a very popular recognized GI tagged region for coffee industry, where Coffee Board of India has identified as one of the region to recognize the best coffees from the region. And we as Harley have been winning awards for best Robusta coffees from India. Set up improved processing system in our plantation, new polyhouse, new dryers, new processing techniques are being adopted. Also, Chandini, who is handling the quality part of it, is trained in processing of coffee.
As the fifth generation, we are hoping to, we're doing a lot more work in the fermentations and processing of the coffee. We are very heavily dependent on people. We are heavily dependent on labor. Also, a large part of this labor force are women. And we are also founding members of the Women's Coffee Alliance of India. We have a little lab at Harley. We initially started it to help us understand our coffees better and what is coming out of it. So our family has always been into a very niche market, whichever business we've been in, including coffee. And through each generation, I think we have always implemented something new, something different.
ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋದಿಗೆ ಬಾ.
ನಾನು ವಸಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ ವಸಂತ, ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ವಸಂತ.
ಈಗ ವಸಂತಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಲಾಭ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು ನೋಡಿ
ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಈಗ? 45 kgs 40 kgs ಫಾರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪಿಕಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಪರ್ ಕೆಜಿ 10 rupees per kg.
Demanding. Some countries in Europe, see, comes away the flavor of the coffee will change. If the comes later, the taste will change.
Specializing in that.
Coffee source to Karapuri bucket. Adurdu observe ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಬೇರೆ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್